population, 4% growth was not certainly it doesn't deserve the 4% kind of a growth, and that is the period where we started talking about reforms in 1975 or 77. The actual reforms in the Indian economy actually started. Of course, we had some kind of a major kind of a policy regimes have been brought in by the third Prime Minister, Mrs. Gandhi, in terms of nationalization of banks, and there are many things that happened during that period, and we have actually seen the economy starting rolling in terms of reforms. I don't know whether I can say that nationalization banks was a reforms, but at that point of time, certainly the banking sector, the financial access or the financial inclusion was one of the major policy, and I think that really served well at that point of time. Those who are talking about interest rate, those who are actually reading interest rates, before nationalization, the interest rates were somewhere close to 20%, 22%, 24%. Imagine the kind of cost of capital that we used to have at that point of time. And we always had the public sector domination. And we all know that in the books you would have studied what it's called that a mixed economy kind of a model, where you have a role of both public and private, but largely it is a public sector dominant economy. We also had the planning commission, right? Again, some of you would have studied in Indian economy books that we had Indian plan models, we had